before the video begins, I just want to put a little disclaimer. This video is a month old. Sorry for the delay, and please check out at the end. I will be going into detail on how I got my Vox boxes so quickly, and hopefully it helps you guys. And again, just comment down below if you have any questions or concerns, or if you want to learn a little bit more. But yeah, so without further ado, here's the rest of my video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes, if you see these items right here, they're influencer boxes, and I got these in the span of 2 months. So I'm going to open these up with you here, and at the end of the video I'll show you how you can get influencer boxes. So if you want to learn more, stay tuned, and like always, like and subscribe. Now on to the rest of them. Alright guys, so I just want to clarify and say that it is hot and I'm going to have the windows open, so you're going to hear a lot of car noise. Hopefully my voice can overshadow that, and the music that I put on will overshadow that too. But now let's get into these amazing boxes that I got from Influenster. And if you don't know what Influencer is, it is a company that sends you products for free. All you have to do is review them. So super easy. Just link down below in my description, or use the link down below, yeah, in the description, and then sign up and do the snaps and all that stuff. But at the end of the video I'll talk about what to do for that. So the first box that I received is from Baptiste. This foam dry shampoo is actually really good for curly hair because it keeps your hair moisturized longer instead of like the spray one. It doesn't really work on my hair, but the dry shampoo foam one works amazing. So you shake it up, you press, foam comes out, you massage it into your hair, and then you can just style your hair whichever way you want. And then the scent that they sent me, it was their waterless cleansing foam and with hibiscus root. This is the product that they sent me. Like, it smells, I haven't tried this one, but I did have this one previously that I got for free from Mom Select, and this is their coconut milk one, and this one smells amazing. So I can only imagine what the hibiscus one smells. The next box that I received is from Clairol Professionals, True Colors. So really excited because I've been telling my husband that I want to dye my hair, and I'm like, when I saw that I was getting this, I'm like, oh my god, look at that, the heavens, won't he do it? So he said, they sent me some hair dye, so we're gonna open it up right now, and I don't know what they sent me, so it's gonna be exciting because I'm going to do whatever color is in here. I'm dyeing my hair, so put on your if you don't subscribe to me, subscribe now, ring the little bell to get notifications so that when I post this video you guys can check it out. But yeah, so without further ado, let's find out the color. I'm not looking. Does it say? No. What color is it? There. You guys get to see it first. What color is it? Sun Honey Blonde. Well, it's not Sun Honey Blonde, it's Sun Honey, but it's blonde, guys. So, dye my hair blonde, although I told myself I'm never going to do it again because one time I dyed my hair blonde when I first got married, and it was like a mustard blonde. It was disgusting. I'll probably post a picture so you can see how hideous that color was. But they sent me, okay, so they sent me 2 of the hair dyes, which your hair always needs. If you dye your hair, box dye your hair, or dye your hair yourself, you always need 2 dyes. Cause look at all this hair. I think one little box is gonna go through all that. Then they sent me, are they both? Yeah. They sent me 2 cream developers. That means legit. Like, I'm really gonna about to dye my hair. A little mixing cup, a brush, and gloves. And I guess I'm going to go blonde, guys. So again, ring that bell to get the notification so when I do this, you guys can be a witness to how badly I'm probably gonna butcher my hair, because if you didn't see the picture, I'll put it back up again. See it? Yeah, I did that to myself. Hopefully now, like, I'm more experienced with hair dye and stuff. If you haven't seen my Garnier video of me trying to dye my hair greenish, like a teal color. That didn't work out well, but I tried it. But not least, it is their summer box. So in here is a bunch of goodies that I kind of saw what they were sending me, but we're gonna go through it because I don't really know. All right, so this is what it is inside. They sent me. All right, so I see OxyClean. It is the summer. Okay, it's called the Summer 2020 Kickoff VoxBox. And they sent me these products. So we're gonna check them out. So the first, I see a big one. It is the Twisted Ranch. Salad dressing. It's garlic mashed buffalo. Interesting. So this is supposed to be a salad dressing, right? Still think about that garlic sauce we had in New Orleans, but how to kick it up a notch. Interesting. This is very interesting. If you've tried Twisted Ranch or Twisted, just as like this, I've seen this before. They had like Pinch Me actually was giving away coupons to get the strawberry, to buy one of these, and when I went to my Stop and Shop, they didn't have it at the time. But now, like when I go, I see it all the time. I'm like, wow, I could have got it for free. They have like a strawberry flavored one and like other flavors, but this one is the garlic mashed buffalo. So I'm gonna have my husband test it out because he's my food tester and see what he thinks about this. And if you've tried this, let me know down in the comments. And then they sent me 2 little samples. The first one is Chewy Bites mixed berries, the Tums. I'm 30 now and I've had 2 kids, so heartburn is a real thing and acid reflux is a real thing. As you get older, you're gonna need this. And I used to make fun of every time I used to see like my older cousins. You know, I used to make fun of some of my friends who are a little bit older than me, and they used to take these and I used to be like, oh, you're old, and look at me now. Look at me now. I need that all the time. The next thing I got is from OxyClean is a White Revive Laundry Stain Remover. Oh, this is interesting. It's like is it a cloth? It feels like it's a cloth. Look at me, I'm old. I'm so excited about OxyClean. Wait, no, it's powder. Guys, I'm so disappointed in myself right now. Moving on. The next thing I got is from Aracacia. Is a body. Aracacia body is an oil moisturizer, normal to dry, seals in moisture for 24 hours. Is this for your skin or your hair? Pump the desired amount into your hand and rub into skin. Is this for your body? That is a good question. Guys, let me know in the comments if you've used this product from this brand. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Come on now, focus. Alright, if you've used this brand before, let me know in the comments. What is this? I'm probably gonna Google it because why wouldn't I Google it? But it doesn't say here. Oh, it just says for your skin, so I guess it's a body oil. Interesting. And then the last product is from the same brand. I don't want to butcher the name because I'm pretty sure Aracacia. Aracacia. The brand is in here. Let me open this up. I should have opened it up before. I didn't want to open. I wanted to like do an unboxing, actual unboxing on video. Look at me trying to be all genuine. Alright. It is their Rose Hydrosol Renewal. I love anything rose scented. If you don't already know, why isn't it focusing? Alright. I love anything rose scented, so I'm excited for this. A little bit more information on it. And yeah. But yeah. So that I'm excited about. Face and your body. So that one says specifically. This one doesn't say. But I'm pretty sure you could just put it on your body as well. So yeah, so that was everything in my influencer in that summer kickoff influencer box. Alright guys, so how I'm able to get influencer boxes is because I do the snaps, which if you're new to Influencer or you haven't signed up for Influencer, you should, one, sign up down below and sign up for Influencer. Then they're going to ask you snaps, which are questions like what products you use, and they want you to review products that you've already used so they can see like what your like area of expertise, and then they'll like send you stuff. So the more snaps you do, the more you qualify for boxes. So then after you do all these snaps, you'll probably get an email saying, do you want to opt in for these qualifying boxes? And you have to fill out a questionnaire. And then when you fill out that questionnaire, you're going to opt into a few different boxes, and then hopefully you get chosen. And if you get chosen, they send you a box. Then you have to post about it on Instagram or Twitter or wherever it is that they want you to post about the product, and like write a review as well. So it's like a lot. It is a lot of work to even get a box, and then once you get a box, you have to do a lot of work for that box. But like, it's fun because it's like it gives you something to do, especially if you're at home, or if you're like me, you have 2 toddlers and you have like all your time is focused on them. This is kind of like you time, like a little bit of a me time. Like, I get these products, I get to review products, and there's like a whole community, a bunch of other people who are influencers as well, and you ask questions and you can actually make friends on Influencer. So it's pretty cool. I have a few people that follow me, and I follow a few people, and like we're always like checking to see what that person reviewed, and there's like it's like a really cute community. So if you guys want to sign up, again, down below, and if you want to get a VoxBox, do your snaps, and share your referral code. Like down below in the description is my referral code. I get 5 points every time someone every time someone joins Influencer using my referral code. And that also helps you to gain VoxBoxes, because then they like see like, oh, she's really working, she's doing her snaps, she's referring people, like she's actually involved in Influencer. And so then if you do all that, you are guaranteed a VoxBox. Look, I got 3 VoxBoxes in the span of 2 months, and I tested out because I stopped doing snaps for like 2 months, because I was like, let me see if it's just referrals. But no, then I started doing my snaps, and then all of a sudden I got emails like, oh, do you want to opt into these VoxBoxes? And I'm like, yeah, sure, why not? Then they started sending me VoxBoxes, so I'm like, okay, you gotta do snaps and referrals together to get boxes. So hopefully this helped. Let me know that in the comments if this helped. If you've gotten influencer boxes, you checked out my other video where I gave you similar tips on how to get influencer boxes. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please try to stay cool out there because it is hot, and please stay safe out there. It is some crazy times we're living in, and I want everyone to stay safe and sound. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. Bye now.